real-life English talk. 10 English conversations for travel problems. You're at the airport. You check your phone, and your flight is canceled. Your heart drops. You don't know what to say. In this scene, I'll show you exactly what to say at the desk, calmly and clearly.
Excuse me. I just got a message that my flight is canceled. What should I do now?
I'm sorry about that. Let me check your ticket and see what we can do.
Thank you. I really need to arrive tonight because I have work tomorrow morning.
I understand. There is another flight in 3 hours. It will arrive a little later than planned.
That's okay. I just need to get there tonight. Do I need to pay extra?
No, you don't need to pay. We will change your flight for free.
That's good to hear. What about my luggage?
Your luggage will go on the new flight automatically.
That's a relief. I was feeling very stressed.
I understand. Travel problems can be stressful.
Can you print my new boarding pass, please?
Yes, here it is. Please go to the gate 30 minutes before departure.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I hope the rest of your trip goes well.
That's how you handle a cancellation with confidence. But travel problems don't stop there. What if your luggage doesn't arrive? You're standing at the baggage belt. Everyone leaves, but your suitcase never comes. Now you feel worried. Here's how to report missing luggage without panic and get real help fast.
Hi, my suitcase is not on the baggage belt. I've been waiting for a long time.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I see your baggage tag?
Yes, here it is. I'm worried because I have important things inside.
Let me check the system and see where your bag is.
Thank you. I think it may be on another flight.
It looks like your bag was delayed. It will arrive on the next flight in 2 hours.
Oh, I see. What should I do now?
You can wait here or we can send your bag to your hotel.
Sending it to my hotel would be better.
No problem. Please write your hotel address and phone number here.
Thank you. I was starting to panic.
Don't worry. We will make sure you get your bag soon.
I appreciate your help.
You're welcome.
Good. You handled that smoothly. But what if you arrive at your hotel and they can't find your reservation? You're tired. It's late. You just want to sleep. But the front desk says your name isn't in the system. Don't argue. Don't panic. Here's how to fix it politely and confidently.
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Lee, but you said you cannot find it.
Let me check again. Can you spell your last name, please?
Yes, it's Lee. I booked the room online last week.
Thank you. It seems there was a problem in our system.
I already paid for the room. I have the confirmation email here.
Thank you for showing me. We still have rooms available.
That's good. I was worried I would have no place to stay.
Don't worry, we will give you a room at the same price.
Thank you. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included from 7 to 10 in the morning.
That's great. I'm happy we solved the problem.
Here is your key. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Problem solved. Now imagine you finally enter your room and something isn't working. You walk into your room. It's hot. The air conditioning isn't working. You're uncomfortable and frustrated. Here's how to report the problem clearly without sounding rude.
Hi, I just went to my room and the air conditioning is not working.
I'm sorry about that. That must be uncomfortable.
Yes, the room feels very warm.
I can send someone to fix it right away.
Thank you. How long will it take?
It should take about 20 minutes.
And if it cannot be fixed?
Then we will move you to another room.
I appreciate that. I just want a comfortable room.
Of course. We want you to feel comfortable.
Thank you for helping me quickly.
You're welcome. We will update you soon.
I'll wait for your message.
Thank you for your patience.
That was calm and respectful. But what if the problem isn't in your hotel? It's in your taxi. You look out the window. The road doesn't look right. Are you being overcharged? Are you going the wrong way? Here's how to speak up politely and protect yourself.
Excuse me. I think we are going the wrong way. My hotel is near the city center.
Let me check the map again. Traffic is heavy today.
I understand, but this road looks far from my hotel.
You are right. I will change the route now.
Thank you. I don't want to pay more because of a longer ride.
I understand. I will make sure the price stays fair.
I'm visiting for the first time, so I'm not sure about the roads.
No problem. I will take the fastest way from here.
That sounds better. Thank you for checking.
You're welcome. We should arrive in about 15 minutes.
Great. I feel more relaxed now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Much better. Now let's talk about something stressful at the checkout counter. You try to pay. The machine says declined. People are waiting behind you. It's awkward. Here's what to say when your card doesn't work and how to stay calm.
I'm sorry, but my credit card is not working. The machine says it is declined.
Sometimes banks block cards when you travel abroad.
I didn't tell my bank that I was traveling.
That might be the reason.
Can I call my bank now?
Yes, of course, you can use your phone here.
Thank you. If it still doesn't work, can I pay in cash?
Yes, we accept cash. There is also an ATM outside.
That's helpful. I hope my bank can fix it quickly.
I'm sure they will. Travel problems happen sometimes.
Thank you for being patient.
You're welcome.
Payment fixed. But transportation problems can happen too. You're at the train station. The screen shows delayed. You have a connection. Time is running out. Here's how to ask about the delay and your next train clearly.
Excuse me, I heard the train is delayed. How long is the delay?
The train will arrive about 40 minutes late.
Oh no, I have a connecting train.
If you miss your connection, please speak to the ticket office.
Will they help me change my ticket?
Yes, they will help you without extra cost.
That's good to know. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Please watch the screen for updates.
I will. I hope the train arrives soon.
We hope so too. Sorry for the delay.
Thank you for your help.
Of course.
Good. Now imagine you're exploring a new city and suddenly you're completely lost. You thought you knew the way. Now you're not sure where you are. Your phone battery is low. Here's how to ask for directions naturally and confidently.
Hi, I'm looking for the city museum, but I think I'm lost.
Oh, the city museum? It's easy to get lost here. It's 2 blocks behind you.
Oh, I walked too far?
Yes, but it's not far. Just walk back and turn left at the light.
Thank you for explaining clearly.
You're welcome. It should take about 5 minutes.
I appreciate your help.
No problem. Enjoy your visit.
I will. Thank you again.
Have a great day.
That was simple and clear. But what if the problem is with your rental car? You pick up your rental car and notice a scratch on the door. You don't want to be blamed later. Here's how to protect yourself and explain the issue clearly.
Hi, I just picked up this car and I see a scratch on the door.
Thank you for telling us. Did you notice it before leaving?
Yes, I saw it right away. I don't want to be responsible for it.
That's understandable. I will write it in your contract.
Thank you. I just want everything to be clear.
Of course, it's important to record it now.
The rest of the car looks fine.
That's good. If you have any other problems, please call us.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Drive safely.
I'm excited to explore the city.
Have a wonderful trip.
Handled professionally, but sometimes the biggest problem happens before you even board. The airline says the flight is overbooked. They're asking for volunteers. You're confused. Here's what that means, and what to say if you're interested.
I heard you are asking for volunteers to take a later flight. What does that mean?
The flight has too many passengers, so we are looking for people who can travel later.
If I volunteer, what do I get?
We will give you a travel voucher and meal coupons.
How much later is the next flight?
The next flight leaves in 4 hours.
That might be okay for me. My schedule is flexible.
If you decide to volunteer, please come to the desk.
Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
You're welcome. We appreciate your understanding.
I will think about it and tell you soon.
Take your time.
These are real conversations you can use anywhere in the world. Travel problems can feel stressful, but now you know exactly what to say. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.